Assalamu alaikum my family. In today's video we're breaking down the 5 best CPU cooler. Through comprehensive research and testing I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs, so whether you're looking for an inexpensive model we'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description. Number 5, the Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black. The Noctua NHD15 Chromax Black is a high-performance CPU cooler that features a dual-tower design with two 140mm fans. It is compatible with a variety of Intel and AMD sockets, including LGA 2066, LGA 2011, LGA 1151, LGA 1150, AM2, AM2+, AM3, AM3+, FM1, FM2, FM2+, and AM4. The cooler has a black color scheme and includes a backplate for mounting. It is known for its excellent cooling performance and low noise level, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and overclockers. Number 4, the Be Quiet Dark Rock 4. The Be Quiet Dark Rock 4 is a high-performance CPU cooler that is designed for use in demanding systems. It features a 135mm fan and has a 200W TDP thermal design power rating, which means it is capable of cooling CPUs with a high power draw. The cooler has a sleek, stealthy design with black and aluminum accents, and is known for its low noise level. It is compatible with a variety of Intel and AMD sockets, including LGA 1150, LGA 1151, LGA 1155, LGA 1156, LGA 2011, LGA 2066, AM2, AM2+, AM3, AM3+, FM1, FM2, and FM2+. Number 3, the Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO is a popular CPU cooler that is designed to provide excellent cooling performance at an affordable price. It features a compact, tower-style design with a single 120mm fan and 4 direct contact heat pipes. The cooler is compatible with a variety of Intel sockets, including LGA 1151, LGA 1150, LGA 1155, LGA 1156, LGA 775, and LGA 1366. It is known for its excellent value and easy installation, making it a top choice for many budget-conscious PC builders. Number 2, the Cooler Master Liquid ML240R. The Cooler Master Liquid ML240R is an all-in-one CPU liquid cooler that features a dual-chamber design and an addressable RGB lighting system. It is compatible with both Intel and AMD sockets, including LGA 1151, LGA 1150, LGA 1155, LGA 1156, LGA 2011, LGA 2066, AM2, AM2+, AM3, AM3+, FM1, FM2, and FM2+. The cooler comes with two 120mm fans and has a 240mm radiator, providing excellent cooling performance for high-end CPUs. The addressable RGB lighting system allows you to customize the look of your system with a variety of color and lighting effects. Number 1, the Noctua NHU14 STR4 SP3. The Noctua NHU14 STR4 SP3 is a high-performance CPU air cooler that is specifically designed for use with AMD STRX4, TR4, and SP3 sockets. It features a single 140mm fan and a large heatsink with 6 heat pipes, providing excellent cooling performance for high-end CPUs. The cooler has a sleek, low-profile design and includes a mounting kit for easy installation. It is known for its quiet operation and high build quality, making it a popular choice among enthusiasts and overclockers. This might be your best bet. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.